Yes, the COVID pandemic has really affected the treatment process of ovarian cancers. Not only ovarian cancers, for all cancers, especially the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Is there a treatment delay? Or are they not turning up for the treatment? I think these are all the problems. Due to logistical reasons, many of the patients were not able to come for treatment as planned. How we address the problem was, if the patient is on a definitive treatment plan, aiming for a cure, we are trying to solve the logistical problems either by helping them to come to the hospital or planning them to have the treatment done by some of our friends who are practicing close by the residence of the patient. But if they fall as COVID positive and not able to come, then we are forced to postpone the treatment or postpone the planned treatment. The dictum usually we take is, if it is a treatment aiming for a cure, we try to adhere to the protocol as far as possible. If not, we may give an option of going for a teleconsultation and switching over to oral medications if possible. Answer is indefinitely no. But if maybe for 2 to 3 weeks, we may be able to cover up with chemotherapy and then take it for a surgery. So the answer is based on the decision of the treating doctor, and in consultation with him, I think the policies can be framed. I think you have to address it in 3 terms. Patients who are on follow-up, long-term follow-up, maybe once in 3 to 6 months or annual follow-up, they can definitely postpone the follow-up after discussion with the treating physician. Patients who are on active treatment or taking chemotherapy now, they should be planning to adhere to the protocol as far as possible, especially if it's a curative treatment. So again, consult the treating doctor, maybe by a telemedicine consultation, or you can directly contact them. People who are suspicious about cancers or who requires an investigation to diagnose or rule out cancers, they should not make any delay. They should approach and plan the investigations, because the basic dictum is the chance for cure depends upon, in cancer, early diagnosis and prompt treatment. Patients who are on continuous chemotherapy or hormone drugs, they can take the vaccination without any break. And patients who are on intermittent chemotherapy schedules, they can take vaccination during the break period. Patients who are on monoclonal antibodies also has to take vaccination, but everything depends on timing, everything depends on after consultation with the treating doctor. So basically, what I mean to say that is, don't postpone your diagnostic and treatment plan for cancer just because that it's a COVID pandemic.